This is a place where a lot of people of the same ideas, same mindset can go and meet each other. I have met more innovators and inventors and designers here than I have my entire life, and that is really important to me and a lot of people here today.
We're here protesting today because PPS made a bond where they had money to rebuild different schools, including Benson, and now they don't have enough money to rebuild Benson because they spent it on other schools, and we're gonna make some noise.
Well, Benson is where I have met some of the most important people in my lives today. This is one of the most unique schools where I found a lot of expression to come out of, and the fact that they could be, taking money away or even closing the place down is pretty much unacceptable.
Well, Benson, to me, I've worked here for 13 years. I have a daughter here. I have another one that I want to come here. So Benson, to me, it's a lot of things. I work here. I love it. I love that it offers every kid in the city, if they want it, something different than what they can get at their neighborhood school. And I think it's a great resource we need to protect.
We need to go to the district meeting tonight and let them know that we need them to honor the bond. It was a voter approved, the will of the people. Yes, we want to get this new Benson rebuild. So it's all about going to PPS right now, letting them know that you need to honor the bond. We need our school. We deserve our school, and we love the Benson community. Go Tech!
My name is Mickey O'Connor, and I'm an electric major.
My name is Conan Vu, and my major is, I double major a computer science and digital media productions.
So in my major, I work on this industrial robot arm and try to figure out how to make that work, and then also learn about circuits and like house wiring.
For computer sciences, we problem solve by learning what we need to figure out and then how we're going to solve that problem using coding. And in digital media, we learn the principles of design and how we can apply that design to make art. What I think is really unique about Benson CTE program is it creates a sense of community. You're here for 4 years with the same people and the same majors, and it really gains you can learn from people, you can talk to them, and it really makes you feel like you are in a community with your friends.
At Benson, it funnels you right into a career path, basically. So you don't have to go to college, you can go out of high school and go into an apprenticeship, and Benson has all these connections to the apprenticeships or apprenticeship programs around Portland.
If Portland was missing the CTE program or Benson as a program and changed to just a facility, you'd have less of that personal connections with people and less of that working in teams, I think.
Everything I spit is real, that's factual. People be fake, I live life in the actual. Everybody hating, but I tell them that I got it, yo. Yeah, my mama's stressing, but I tell her that I got it, yo. Now watch me turn tables like a DJ till somebody have my song on replay. Each day is JB Rock.
So give it for Kim to win.
So my name is Carissa Carasy. This is my first year here at Benson, and I currently teach 10th grade world history and an 11th, 12th grade combo class of AVID. Well, actually, when I first started college, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, and so I switched majors pretty often. I started as a nursing student and then went to English literature student major. And then I took this one history class in college that was focusing on foreign policy. And it really opened my eyes to see the connection between things that were happening today in society and then things that had happened in the past, and how history tended to repeat itself over and over again. And so that's when I decided that I actually wanted to be a high school teacher so that I could help show students not only the effects of colonization and globalization in our world and how that has affected certain groups of people worldwide throughout history, but that their voices mattered, and to make real change in society, it starts with education. So my experience at Benson has been amazing so far. I've never worked at a school as inclusive and supportive as Benson High School. I really love the fact that Benson is a technical school, and so there's lots of options for students to pick the career path that fits them best. I think that more schools need to have those options for students because too many students are falling through the cracks in our current education system. I actually dropped out of high school in 10th grade, the end of my 10th grade year, and I always hated high school from the day that I started. School in general, just because I felt a really big disconnect between my personal life and what I was being taught in school. And so I'm really mindful in my curriculum to bring in a lot of reality-based pedagogy. So what that means is that I'm really teaching students how to find their voice and their strength and use that to make a real difference in their own communities. It's all about student empowerment and engagement in my classroom, and so my philosophy really focuses on that.
My name is Principal Wilson.
Okay, can we get your name?
Cece.
Angel. I'm Josh.
What is it?
Ocean. Max.
Sierra.
I'm J. Russ.
Colossian.
Anthony.
Kalea.
Lisa. Karina.
Paradise.
Alex.
Cadence.
Zanaya.
Tyson.
Peggy.
Irma Johnson.
First question I'm gonna ask you two is spell top. T-O-P.
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 Spell it 2 times.
T-O-P. T-O-P.
Spell it 3 more times.
T-O-P. T-O-P. T-O-P.
Say it 4 more times.
Stop.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop.
You go.
Good job. Okay, the next question. Green light.
You stop.
No, you don't.
Oh, you go.
Stop.
Are you sure? Oh, you go.
Go.
Hey, good job. What is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
Stone.
They're both this.
Both a pound.
The pound.
The thing that's heavier is the headache that I have in my head right now, because I've been working hard and I'm tired. I'm tired, man. Okay, next question.
Thanks for watching Tech News.